YouTube family, and welcome back to the Decor Diary. Today we are showcasing 121 plus wall painting and wall decor ideas that are simple, fresh, and totally doable. If you want your walls to be the star of your home, stick around. We have got bold colors, tricks, easy DIY stickers, modern moral ideas, and smart styling tips you can copy this weekend. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the Decor Diary for more quick decor inspiration. Let's start with color power. One easy way to the transform any room is with a single bold ancient wall, deep charcoal, navy or forest green paired with light furniture immediately looks for a bright energetic vibe. Try mustard, charcoal, or teal. Great for living rooms and dining space. Keep the reset of the wall natural to make the ancient pop. Next texture, paint and finish are huge in 2025. Vanitane plasters, matte, lime wash, and soothe effect paints add suitable depth without heavy cost. These finishes work especially well on smaller feature wall or behind shelving units. Use soft light to show the texture. It makes the wall look custom and designer made. For playful budget friendly option, go with stencils and pattern walls, geometric stencils, scale loop shapes or repeating leaf patterns are easy to apply and perfect for hallways or kids' rooms. You can create two tones pattern using painters, tab, and inexpensive rollers. Professional look DIY price. Wall stickers and large scales. These scales are ideal when you need changeability. Floral vines, oversized leaf or black scenes like palm trees or city skylines give major impact and peel off when you want something new. These are perfect for renters or for creating a seasonal look. Now let's talk murals, from painted murals to printed wall murals, big landscape, abstract brush strokes, murals, and minimalist line art faces are trending. If you are nervous to paint freehand, try wallpaper, murals, or communications. A local artist for one ancient wall, a mural behind a TV or band become a point. Mixing materials on the wall is another pro move. Consider half wall wood paneling with paint above or painted wall with mounted woven basket, rattan trays, or a gallery of framed printed. Combining texture with paint the space and keeps it interesting for every angle. Speaking of galleries, gallery wall are a still winner, but 2025 twist it. Mixed medium, mixed photos, mirrors, metal art, and small shelves in a low grid. Use one unifying color in frame or matching to avoid visual clutter. For minimalist look, create single row gallery at eye level rather than full wall. If you love curves, try arch ancient paint. Use a soft color to paint an arch shape behind a sofa, bed, or console tables of an elegant modern vibe. Arches paired beautifully with brass lamps and round furniture. Neutrals are not boring, they are stylish. Use layered neutrals, warm beige, soft and cream combined with texture paint, natural accessories for cozy timeless space, and contrast with black hardware or single dark accessories for modern balance. For small rooms, vertical strips or a two-tones wall, darker bottom, lighter top visually rise the ceiling. Horizontal strips can wide, narrow rooms always use thin tap lines for creeps edge and step back to check as you paint. Lightning and paint work together. Backlighting shelves, uplights or picture light highlight painted texture. Install a simple LED strips behind a floating shelf to make color shimmer and bring depth to paint feature. Let's cover some on trends combos, dark moody walls and bright yellow ancient pastel murals with gold hardware and earthy terracotta walls paired with rattan green. This pairing gives immediate seasonal freshness. So, my dear viewers, that's our tour of the top wall and decor ideas. Pick your favorite and tell us in the comments below. If you love this video, like and subscribe to the Decor Diary and tap the bell icon.